Hi guys, we are doing some rental today. We're gonna rent a U-Haul truck, and now we need to figure this thing out. Alex failed to actually open the key, so we got our key. We saw our big truck. This is a truck or is a van?
Van.
Are we? Huh? No. I think we need to ask whether we are allowed to drive on a parkway. Okay, yang tu orang-orang mencari pekerjaan. This is our truck. Huge.
Massive, bro.
I don't know how to drive this, man.
Neither do I, man.
Damn. Okay, it's huge one. You can actually see. Oh my god. This is a lorry. It's so tall, man.
I know.
Look at that.
We'll win every battle, man. On the highway.
Okay, these are our jerry cans.
Have issues with these. Yeah, that one. If there's any discrepancy in how it's been stacked, yeah. So we didn't stack it. Because that did happen. You guys, your freight originally was on the front.
Truck is unloading. This is the supply.
Bring it down. Break it down. Yeah. You got the tip. Yeah, come on, Alex. So where are we now?
Castle kitchen. Or castle
Chicken.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
chicken.
So we're meeting with the boss, Mr. Rudy. He owns 8 shops of Castle.
So, you know what I was going to come?
Okay, kita nak tengok. We want to see the oil. Say. Any difference?
When the cook, now
Now it smells,
Yes.
right? Yeah. Let's see.
Look at the expert. Asin, okay lah.
Yeah, that smell I smell it. But let's see after the cook.
Yeah.
They cooked it, they ate it, I don't know. They didn't tell me.
Oh, okay. This is canola, right?
This canola. Yeah.
Canola. Okay. How many minutes normally? Oh, it's 10 minutes.
Yeah. 12 minutes.
How many temperature? 3 to 5.
340.
340.
Yeah.
10 minutes, 340. Nice. Hey, that's the salad that you like.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. So
Yeah.
let's see.
Let's see. After today, thank you.
This is Castle Chicken and burgers. We got 6 wings. This is
And-
from our friend Rudy.
Frying using our oil.
Our oil, yeah.
So first, it's all about the smell, right?
Yeah.
Smell test.
Smells good.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Does it smell like canola, right?
No, smells good.
Okay, look at the cooking, frying. Oh, the color is better. Because I had it a few times. The color was not that good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Fully cooked. Nice.
Nice.
Hey, honestly, it tastes better.
Right?
If this actually like coming from us, a lot better.
Tastes really good.
Good, man.
Yeah.
The perks of selling oil is to eat.